Today we are going to discuss about the open source websites or open source application which are available to learn the knowledge related to the cyber security. There are certain free ways are available on the internet through whom we can learn something about cyber security, information security. We can we can learn about the threats. We can learn about the risk. The major part is that we can also learn uh, how many data thefts are happening around us, what has been stolen in that data threats. The first thing for learning the cyber security or the hacking part and all is the OSINT framework. This OSINT framework is freely available, from where we can learn lots of things. The things start from that you can uh, learn how to find out the email addresses, how to find out the open usernames and all, IP addresses related to the social media also. We can also find out public records and all. When in the training section, you can go in the training, you can learn here. There are lots of trainings are available. We can learn about the certain trainings also. Documentation also, when we are trying to learn about the documentation, we can learn about web browsing, screen capture session, map locations and all. Open security, we can learn here about the privacy cleanups. We can learn about the personal data and all. In the threat intelligence, when I click on the threat intelligence, you can learn about the various intelligence, your phishing related, your IOC related tools, the malware related stuffs, the bot related things. So there are lots of things what we can learn very by using this websites. So this is a very good website where we can go and research on the web, and all the material related to the cyber security are available. In the same way, when we are going about the dark web and all, the info related to dark web and the link related to various dark webs are also available in this website. In the same way, we can use different search engines also. There are different search engines are available. We can also use different search engines from here. Public records are also available. Your some public records related things are also available. So this website is very good for those persons who are the beginner and who are trying to make their career in the field of cyber security or ethical hacking and all. So this is very freely available. This website is freely available. We can go and learn from there. So this is the one of the thing. Now another thing is now another website is the securityweek.com. This security week is you can say information security related magazine. So they are publishing the magazine, and by using this website we can uh, come to know all the IT security related news, what is going in the IT security across the world, what has been stolen, which data has been compromised, and how to protect us against those threats. So this is also very good websites where we can able to learn about the virus vulnerabilities, email security, virus and threats, IoT security, endpoint security. So we can learn about these things, and we can in meanwhile also we can also learn about the threats what is happening. So this is also a very good website where which we can use to enhance our knowledge in the field of cybersecurity. So this is also very big website. You need to also go through these websites and try to browse the websites what actually being published in this. Another website is your informationisbeautiful.com. This is also one of the very good websites. This website captures all the hacking activities across the globe, or you can say this website captures the world's biggest data breaches and hacks that is happening across the year. You can see here it is capturing from very beginning itself, right? In 2004, it start capturing, and now in 2021 also there are lots of threats are happening. Our data, what we are giving our data, our name, phone number, and all, and if we are registering on any websites, so sometimes the website server has been hacked by the hacker, and our data comes into the public domain. You can see Experian Brazil has been hacked, and lots of data, millions of the data, records has been lost. In the same way, Facebook also from 2020 to 2021, they has been hacked. 533 million users data has been stolen. So we can click on the thing. We can click on the any of. We can click on the Facebook related data. You can see 533 million Facebook user phone numbers and personal data have been leaked online. So these data has been leaked online, and the data is freely available on the dark webs and all. So from where we can come to know what are the technology hackers are using to hack the thing. Accordingly, we can secure our system. So you can see Indian citizen data has been stolen, Capital One data has been stolen, Thailand visitor data is stolen, T-Mobile, one of the great big company in the US, I think their data has been also stolen. So lots of security breaches are happening around us. You can say on hourly basis or monthly basis, lots of security breaches are happening. So we, uh, by a as we are a cybersecurity practitioners, so we should understand actually what is happening across the world. Why what is the criticality of uh, identifying the risk, threats, and vulnerability. The moment we have identifying risk, threats, and vulnerability, then we are going to secure our system. So that this website is going to help you on the data threats, what actually being stolen, what data has been lost and all. So this is also one of the very good websites which we can use to identification of the threats and what data is being stolen. Now another very good website is your malwarepatrol.com. This is also one of the website to finding out the threat data. This websites give you threats, they knowledge about the threats, the knowledge about the firewall, incident analysis, and all. So this is also very good websites to go, and we can go on these websites and we can search different. We can come to know different things on by using these kinds of websites. Now another websites is your MITRE attack.mitre.organization. This is also one of the websites where we can come to know about various kinds of attacks on enterprises. We can come to know about reconnaissance. We can come to about the persistent threat. We can come to hear about the discovery, how to discover the thing. So this is also very good website from where we can gather the learnings and all. Their attacks related things we can come to know. This is the globally accessible knowledge base for attack vectors and all. So from using this website, we can go, we can search the technique, the data sources also, what has been stolen, what are the different metrics, enterprise level metrics are there. So we can learn about these things also. The next important website is European Union Agency for the Cyber Security, this ENISA website. This websites, there are lots of things related to the cyber security education are freely available on this website, and we can come to know about risk, threats, and vulnerability, different frameworks, what needs to be implemented across the organization, cyber security exercises. There are various cyber security exercises are available, so we can go and we can learn about these things very easily. Very good websites for learning, basic level of learning for the cyber security. You can attempt the cyber exercises. also by using these kinds of websites. So there are various cybersecurity programs. You need not to register and all. You can directly go to these websites and try to explore the things in the field of cybersecurity. So that's all. These are the freely resources what we can take the benefit. That's all for the these things.